In this video, I will show you how to simply import your project files, whether media file, images, as the case may be, into InShot editing app. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, let me show you how. Open up your InShot app. After you open up InShot app, you have the first one here to be video tab. You have another one here which is photo editing tab. Then you have colleague tab. Now, if you want to start editing video with InShot app, you want to make sure you click on video tab right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and choose a particular video that you want to import into your InShot app. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this particular video and import it right here. Just like so. You can import as many as possible clips into your InShot app in video editing tab. Next thing you want to do right here is that you want to see how you can add additional file to your project file. For that, click on this plus sign right here. You can add blank, you can add photo or video into the existing project file. For that, go ahead and click on video or photo. And then here, you can simply go to photo tab right here. You can add photo. So I'm going to add this particular photo. Hit on this check mark. It's that simple. You can add as many as possible or import as many as possible project file, whether photo or video, into this tab right here. This is for video editing tab. Let's go ahead and check on the photo editing tab. So I'm going to click on here to go back to the home page. And I'm going to save this as draft. And the next thing I'm going to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on photo right here. So here we go. You can import as many as possible photo into the photo editing tab. I'm going to select this and boom, we have it into the editing tab right here. So which allow you to edit your photo with different tools in the bottom below right here in InShot app. You can slide this way and see more tools and more options that you can use to do with your photo in InShot app. You can rotate the photo as the case may be. Then once you click on rotation, you can flip, you can return back, you can rotate as much as possible. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve with your photo in InShot app. You can zoom in or zoom out as the case may be. Once you're satisfied with everything right here, go ahead and hit on OK. Boom, you have it right here. Once you are done with whatever you want to edit with your photo, simply go ahead and click on Export tab right here. And you are done. It's that simple. This is how to import different project files in InShot app. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your InShot app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.